Good morning, everyone. I hear some noise over here. You know me. I'm in my. Here, hold on. I have to give a card out right now. First person I see. I have something for you. For you. You don't want it? Okay. Somebody will. He didn't want it, but so he's not getting it. Ooh, this stinks. Check this out. There's kind of. Morning.
Hello.
Here, got something for you. Have a good day. Happy 4th. My name's on the back bottom. They're laughing at me. What? Hi. What are you guys doing? I don't eat meat. I don't eat cows. NC Tyrant Hunter here, looking to get you out of that mess. His mean stepsister. Oh. They're inside there. Cows. They have numbers on their ears. Anyways, this is a truck stop in this place over here, Pappy's. Supposedly supposed to be the best breakfast in all of this area, the whole county. That place, Pappy's. You got everything here. You have a car wash. You have all the truckers out here camping out. And you have the cows and the birds on the wire. You have the California grown granny / Betty Butt Crack, Billy Butt Crack's sister out here. And let me see, a bunch of cows in this truck. It's steady. And morning. No lipstick. Sorry. Anyways, here we are. Hello, good morning. Betty here with my Tyrant Hunter hat on. I'm out here hunting tyrants, looking like a ghost from the West Coast. Bueno, andale. It ain't no beauty contest. You don't like it? Skip that part, okay? I don't like it either. Who else do we have here? We have Chad Tie Audits. I can give to somebody around here. One of these truckers. Those cows are all in there. I don't know what they're waiting for over here. They're waiting to get out. I don't know what this guy has on his trailer back here, some kind of fertilizer. Go look. You hear them back there? That's the cows. Solaris residential shingles. Residential shingles. And wood down here. These guys are badass that drive these trucks. I'm telling you, they are. They are tough. They have everything back here they need, like wood, and they have to load up all this stuff and unload it. And so, yeah. Over here, they have a sign that says no camping, Santa Barbara County ordinance. Looks like there's a bunch of people camping. I don't know what this is. I just found it. Do you? Alright, so no camping out around here, but I think they are. And here's the sign again. I think maybe they're talking about back there. I don't know. So back here they are. There's some lipstick, but it's not Betty's. So Betty's not going to touch it. Ew. Back here, looks like there's somebody camping out or something. These guys getting ready to take off. And you got some kind of, farmers over here. Just checking out the area. No parking. Over here, we got this place. Oh, there goes the cows. They're complaining. We got these two guys. Might cause some trouble for me, but I doubt it. Let me go see if I can give them this Chad Thai audits card. See if they'll take my card. Let's see. Here, I just wanted to give you this so you know who I am.
Who are you?
It's on the back right here.
I'm alright.
You don't believe in your First Amendment rights? The United States Constitution that protects you? That's what this is. I'm sharing it with you.
Nice.
So you know your rights. Do you know your rights? No? You don't know your rights? In español?
¿Qué necesita?
Sí, porque tiene ley aquí, la ley.
Hey, I don't think he wants to be filmed, and neither do I. Okay, so.
You don't?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too late. I already filming
Okay. Hey, he's telling you now. Okay.
No?
Have
Okay.
a little bit of respect. And I'm telling you now, so have a little bit of respect, okay?
you. Well, maybe you should have when I offered you my card.
I didn't want your card.
Instead of being a tyrant.
I can do whatever I want. If I don't want your
See
card,
my
I don't
hat?
want to.
I'm a tyrant
I
hunter.
don't care what your tyrant hunter means, okay?
You're a
Don't be
tyrant.
Don't be over here.
You're a tyrant. I'll go wherever I want, tyrant.
Hey,
I'll go wherever I want.
we don't want you here, man.
I don't care what you want. You can kiss my ass. Good luck, tyrant. Don't want me here. Why? Because you're abusing animals? Hi, how are you? Me?
They don't have horses where you come from.
These are cows. cows. Here,
You can't tell me? You don't speak English?
I speak English.
Then
I speak Spanish. Dígame en español. ¿Quién es
it
usted?
doesn't matter. I speak Chinese too. Nehoma.
Who are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Why? You don't tell me where you're from, so why should I answer your
No,
question?
no, I can't. I'm investigating, ma'am. I'm an investigator. I'm investigating. That's a cruel and unusual punishment there. They're cows. They treat human beings like this in the United States. They lock them up behind bars and not, put numbers on them. It's all right, guys. Granny's here to give you your last blessings. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen. All right, guys, you're all set. The Lord has your back. The Lord's watching what they're doing here to you, because I'm showing them. Okay? All right, guys, you're beautiful to me. You're beautiful to me. Yes, you are. You're beautiful to me. I love you. I love you. I wish I could give you something. I'm giving you my blessings, the Lord's blessings. You be good, okay? Don't worry. You won't feel anything. You'll be out of this soon. Everything will be fine. She's calling me a bendeja. Yeah, she speaks Chinese too. Hi, baby. It's okay. You're number 69. Yeah. That's a good number. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? All right, guys. You have your little milk thing going on down here. All right. Just relax and breathe. Don't pay attention to anything they're doing. You're not going to feel anything. It's okay. All right? It's all right. I hear. Look, they're looking at me. I'm right here, little babies. No cry. They're not going to get away with any of it. Anyways, you won't feel anything. You're going to heaven. See you all later. In heaven, in animal heaven, you'll be out of there soon. Okay? Very soon. Look at all these trucks. Those cows have been sitting in there probably all night. You'll be out of there soon. That is a definite torture chamber. They're just standing in there looking at me. They're all looking at me. It makes me want to cry. You know, I mean, if they're going to do that to the animals, they should have some respect. Here goes the guy. He's leaving. It's a cowboy hat. They should have some respect for those animals. Here he goes. Sniffling because I want to cry. Bam! Oh, you're just a baby. Ginger?
Yeah.
Ah, that's so cute. Man, did you smell those cows?
Yeah, I know.
Yikes. All right, so this is a place right over here that everybody eats breakfast at, over here. They all bring their dogs over here. It's trippy.
Why are you filming?
Oh, why are you asking me?
Because that's my truck and this is my truck and I don't appreciate being filmed without permission. Why would you take a picture of it?
Because I wanted to.
Why?
Just for the hell of it. So?
Go away, or I will.
Don't tell me what to do.
Lady, go away.
Don't tell me what to do.
These are not yours. These are personal property. So
You're out in public, ma'am. Do you see the camera? You see the camera right there above your head? Don't tell me what to do. You're dismissed.
This is for nuisance.
And get the
You're a
dog.
nuisance. Go.
Get the dog out of the car.
Get the hell away from me.
Get the dog out of the
Go.
car. Get the dog out of the car.
It is my dog, and I will do as I wish.
And treat it
there's
right.
two. Oh, God. Of all the people to say,
Be nicer to them than you are to me, because you're a real bitch.
you're a bitch, and you started this.
Your mom's a bitch.
Go away, flea.
Don't come
Go.
near me.
Go away.
I'll go where I want.
Get away from my vehicle.
Don't tell me what to do. You wear
Then
a
don't-
cross.
Yes,
You need to
I
have
do.
a come to Jesus conversation
You need to go away.
with somebody.
Go
Because
away.
you are mean, woman.
You are mean.
Don't
You're
be a
sitting there-
hypocrite wearing
I
a
am
cross.
not. Don't tell me who I am. You have no idea who I am or what I
You
am.
want to represent Christ.
Go away.
You should.
Christ doesn't walk around taking nuisance pictures of everybody in a parking
No,
lot.
he doesn't have
it's
to.
It's called freedom, and
Because
he
his
doesn't know.
eyes
No shit.
film everything.
Go away.
And everything you say and see and do, he sees and says and does.
Yes, he does, and same with you, lady.
So be nice.
You be nice.
I am.
No, you're not.
I'm super nice.
You don't walk around being nice, taking pictures of people.
I'm super nice. Yes, you do.
No, you do.
When
not.
you're mean. So, I give you one of my cards, but you're
I
not
don't
very
want
nice.
anything from you.
So
You
I'm
are
not.
very
I'm not going to give you one.
Perfect.
So if you want to be a woman of God and of Christ,
You don't know what that is either.
that's
Or
what
you
I
just
am.
Walk around doing what
I'm a
you do.
child of God,
We all are.
and I'm here to visit you.
You're from the devil. Go away.
I've already walked right through him.
Yeah, whatever. He's laughing too because you're so funny.
I know, I am.
Ridiculousness.
I am. I'm very nice and a loving person
No,
and a
you're
giving,
not.
and I do this
Quit
for a
wasting
good,
time.
very good reason. And people like you that like to come out here and put me down and say mean things and all that,
Because
instead of being
Arthur,
happy,
You should not be doing what you're doing.
instead of being
And I
happy,
have
who are
every
you to
right.
say what I should do?
Because you're filming
You're not my
me.
mama.
Oh my
You're not my
God.
daddy.
Would it matter?
Yes, it would. I
Not
listen to my
really.
mama. Yes, it does. My mom's an angel. And everything she says, which is very few and far between, she doesn't talk a lot
I wonder why.
because she's an angel.
No, because she probably can't get a word in edgewise.
Because the words that
Please
come
go
out of her
away.
mouth come out from God. Don't judge people, and don't judge me. So, have a good day.
Cuckoo, and she's filming everything going on in the parking lot. She said she's cuckoo and she's walking around filming everybody and told me to get the dogs out of here. She filmed the vehicle.
To get them out of the car.
They've only been in there a few minutes.
Okay.
Not good.
I like your shirt. Ban idiots. Look at his shirt. Ban idiots. That's funny.
Should be more of these around.
Yeah, I know. I'm an idiot magnet. I like that. Hey, look, they got cupcakes in here. You got cupcakes? Look, he's got cupcakes. Whose truck is this that has cupcakes? I want a cupcake. Anybody need an Ag Source magazine? Oh, look, breakfast. They say they have the best breakfast in here, right?
I know, yeah, it's good. Go in.
Yeah, I am. I'm going to go in a little while after I get done.
No cameras in there. They don't want no cameras in there.
No? Okay. I'll have to respect that then. I don't want to make Pappy mad. Pappy's extra parking. No, I'm just doing it for this area over here for the 4th of July.
Yeah.
4th of July.
Okay, I know.
You know?
It's not yet. Tomorrow,
No,
2 more days?
yeah. Yeah, but they're celebrating this weekend. But look at that basket. That's cute with the little horse on there. Oh, cute. Hi, good morning. I like your cross.
Huh?
I like your cross.
My what?
Your cross.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah. Have a great day. Happy 4th of July.
Yep.
This restaurant pretty
It's
good?
in honor of the guy that put us here.
That's right. That's why I do what I do. Oh, here. I'll give you something. My name's on the bottom and the back. I only give them to nice people.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Happy 4th.
You too.
They don't like me. Look at this big, oh look at this thing in the window up there. Ooh, I like that. That's cool looking, man. Tyrant Hunter's mean stepsister here, checking y'all out. Now we got Kern County Transparency coming right up. We got this guy, and this is the Pappy's 101 diner right here that they said it's the best breakfast in the whole place around here, and it looks pretty daggone good. You ask me. Looks pretty good in there. So then they got a gas station over here. $6.65 a gallon right here. And if you cross right over the bridge over here, it's $6.05 a gallon. If you go right over this bridge over the freeway, and over there, it's $6.65 a gallon. See? So, about $6.65 a gallon. We got Pappy's Diner. We got a couple motorcycles over here. I always like to check those out. Right, man. Look at them. Ooh, a Harley. Nice bike. That's a Harley too. They're both Harleys. Nice, man. These guys that ride these Harleys. This is not my van though, but back window's open, which is pretty nice. Nice bikes though. Bam! How do you like that, NC Tyrant Hunter? You can go tyrant hunting on that bike and I can go on this one. We can go together. I better get monetized so I can buy myself a Harley and go out with the Tyrant Hunter out here. Alright, here's the kitchen. In here. Here's the best breakfast place in town right here, right? Yes, that's what they say. Hello, little puppy. What are you doing? Your daddy going to get you some breakfast? There's more people in here for the 4th of July weekend. Getting some going. So this is this place. That's a cool looking eagle right there. I went to Eagle Rock. Got another card right here to show you. Johnny 5-0. Kern County Transparency right here. And I got, of course, my buddy over here at Long Island Auditors. Fighting the fight. Totally abusing his rights over there. And I'm paying close attention to Long Island Auditor's case and the way he's conducted himself, which I find very professional, intelligent, patient. My grandma said patience is a virtue. He's done a damn good job of dealing with those, what do you call them? Those, what do you call them? Government officials, but you know, here's the wood for the little barbecue right here. It's got the wood there and the little barbecue all ready to go. Maybe he'll make some ribs out of those cows for the 4th of July. You know, you never know. This is this place though. Every day of the week, right here on the corner. Truck a city. And these truckers are badass. They like the Tyrant Hunter. So, you know. Go over here, they have air, water, gas station. Everything you need over here at this joint. The gas though is $6.65, $6.93 for diesel. So you're gonna be paying a pretty penny for some gas over here. This joint. Morning. And I guess over here they can weigh your truck right here. Morning. You can get gas right over here. You can come over here and smile. Right over here, you're on candid camera. You are being watched by our video surveillance. Yeah, Ruby. You can watch the Tyrant Hunter's stepsister with your cameras if you want to. That's alright. I don't mind. See if they got any Red Bull in here for the San Joaquin. He likes Red Bull. Yeah, they have a Red Bull machine in here. Oh, check it out. Right here, Red Bull. There's your Red Bull. San Joaquin. Gold and Cali. Some Cali hats. Cali, Cali, Cali. Hearing a lot of products in here. If you're looking for anything specific, let me know. And I'll do a little hunting for you to find it. Me? Oh yeah. Yeah. I love cameras, can't you see?
What's that?
I love cameras, can't you see?
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
I can get one of us. See my hat? See my hat?
MC Tyrant Hunter. Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, man. Hunting tyrants.
What's that?
Hunting tyrants.
Yes.
That guy's cool. Yeah. You can get oil and all kinds of stuff in here. Good morning. Woo! We were dancing, me and that guy over there. Yeah, here, let me get us bus. There's some ladies in the morning working hard. Look, she's running. Woo! Morning. We've got the groove. Hungry? Hungry at all? They got everything in here, man. Morning. Morning. How are you? I like this place. Look it. Even got something for the baby. Oh, those are good for the cops. Check that out. That'd be funny. I gotta get a couple of those. Go get my wallet. I'll take a walk around the store first for you though. I don't want to hear the music because then they're gonna do the thing on my Dumaflachi. So don't listen to the music because we don't want to hear that. Ah! They're gonna mess up my video with that music. No, can't have it. Don't want to have to cut that out. They do that kind of crap on purpose, brother. No me gusta eso. No jugando con mis música. Stop before entering. All right, you got it? Got to get going. Get back on over there to my vehicle. But yep, this is the place over here for the truckers. And there goes one. Tutu tata la di da dandula shandula 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 la 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 shandula la la. Kern County Transparency. Oh, there's a guy right there. I can give him this one. Long Island Auditor. He's running away. Maybe he doesn't want one. And I don't force nobody for nothing. We'll give it to Salinas. This dude. Right here. Gonna get your card, Long Island, out of here. Alright. Santa Maria, California. Right here. Here's Granny again. The window. Don't want to see me. Brandon Trucking. Salinas. Salinas. And a big fat mirror right here. And a big fat grill. And very nice. Nice trucks all around here. So anyways, any other stories? You want to leave me a comment about your life? You can. I read my comments. I love my subscribers. I love all my auditors. Passing out your cards. Making sure the whole world knows you're out there. And loves you just as much as I do. Okay? Because they will. I promise you that. And I do. We're all rolling out. Came over here and got those cows out of here, didn't he? I don't want the granny looking at my cows. I gave him my blessings. I feel much better now. There's these guys over here. Let's get them. This guy. As soon as possible movers. They just got a free. As soon as possible movers. Anybody needs one. There's their commercial. These guys. This guy's waving at us. Let's get a close up on him. Alright then. We're still sitting over there, but the cows are gone. So at least we got them on their way. Here comes this guy. He goes. He's cool, he's waving at me. Happy 4th, buddy! Shandula, Tata. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Toodaloo.